Everyday concepts such as price increases, salary hikes, population growth. Have you heard about these concepts? So in today's video, we are going to learn what is percentage increase. Hi everyone, my name is Shraddha. Welcome to Eazeemath and let's get started. A percentage increase tells us how much the value of something has increased compared to its original value. And that is why the formula for a percentage increase is the difference between the original amount and the increased amount divided by the original value times 100. Let's understand this by the help of an example. Let's say a shirt costed $500 and now the cost has increased to $600. So what is the price increase? Now the difference between 600 and 500 is 100. So the percentage increase would be, let me write the complete formula. The percentage increase would be 600 minus 500 divided by the original amount, which is 500, times 100. Timesing it by 100 gives me the answer in terms of percentage. So because we are finding percentage increase, now here zeros and zeros get cancelled. 600 minus 500 is 100 over 5, and this gives me the answer as 20%. So the percentage increase in the value of the shirt was 20%. Next example, a student's marks increased from 60 to 75. So the formula is the increase upon the original value times 100. Now the increase is 75 minus 60. The original value is 60 here times 100. 75 minus 60 is 15 over 60 times 100. 15 times 1 is 15. 15 times 4 is 60. 4 times 25 is 100. So the answer is 25%. So the student's marks increased by 25% when he got from 60 to 75. Next example, salary increased from 40,000 to 50,000. Now this can be dollars, rupees, or whatever your country currency is. So the formula remains the same, increase upon original value. Remember and don't make the mistake of dividing it by the new value. You always find the percentage increase, even decrease, comparing it with the original value, because the percentage increase we are calculating is compared to the original value and not to the new value. So here the difference would be the percentage increase, which is 50,000 minus 40,000 divided by the original amount, which is 40,000, times the 100. Now the difference is 10,000 here divided by 40,000. The zeros gets cancelled, times the 100. 100 over 4 is 25%. Hence the salary of the employee increased by 25%, and that's a good hike. Here are just 2 questions for you to solve so that your understanding becomes better. Do mention your answers in the comments and pause the video, solve these questions. But before you pause, remember the formula that percentage increase is the difference or the amount that is increased by finding the difference between the new value and the original value divided by the original value times 100. Avoid the mistake of dividing it by the new value. You may now pause the video and start solving. If you've got your answers, do mention them in the comments. I hope this video helped you in understanding in finding the percentage increase. Thank you for watching. Happy learning. Wish you the best.